What's going on, guys? I'm working on a 2011 BMW M3. This car came in misfiring, had a check engine light on, several codes for misfire on every single cylinder, which was strange. Pulled the spark plugs. 7 of them look like this. One of them looks like that. Now, strange. So, the story with the car is he ran out of fuel, the car stopped, and after he refueled the car, he had a hard time getting it to start back up. Now, he finally got it to turn back over and fire up, but it was running real bad, misfiring, and he just drove it and limped it over to the shop. So I took the intake manifold off and pulled the fuel rail, and I found this injector was stuck in the open position. So anytime there's any fuel pressure going through this fuel rail, this injector was just spitting it right into the cylinder. So that's why that spark plug looks so clean versus the rest of them, because it was getting washed in gasoline. So just gonna put an injector on this thing and clear the codes, and we should be pretty good to go. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.